Media and information literacy. A core subject. What is a core subject? This means that this subject is needed to be taken in all strands in senior high school, meaning, regardless if you are in ABM, GAS, HUMS, or TVL, you must take and pass this subject. So again, let us reiterate that this core subject is a prerequisite or a needed subject in order to finish your senior high school. Our topic today embodies essential knowledge that should allow you to engage with media and information channels in a meaningful manner. Our objectives or goals at the end of this lesson is for you to be able to describe how communication is influenced by media and information, identify the similarities and differences of media literacy, information literacy, and technology literacy, and discuss responsible use of media and information. Definition of terms. Literacy: the ability to identify, understand, interpret, create, communicate, and compute using printed and written materials associated with varying contexts. Literacy involves a continuum of learning wherein individuals are able to achieve their goals, develop their knowledge and potential, and participate fully in their community and wider society. Literacy can be compared to a staircase. Each step is a needed step to be in. Each step will have its own challenge to give that we need to overcome for us to go to the following steps that will help us grow and progress in life. In this example, the staircase is education and the steps are the grade levels from kinder to college or even postgraduate courses wherein you pass tests to proceed to the next level. We can say that you are a literate individual if you are able to understand, interpret, and process information around us and use it to your advantage. Media: the physical objects used to communicate with, or the mass communication through physical objects such as radio, television, computers, film, etc. It also refers to any physical object used to communicate messages. In the generation that you belong to, the Generation Z, media is very common. I can say that your generation is born with an encrypted knowledge in technology in your DNA. Therefore, identifying and using media is not difficult for you. Those are basically called communication tools. Your mobile phones are the closest and best example together with the others mentioned in the definition. We'll just have to include books and newspapers in this list. Media literacy: the ability to access, analyze, evaluate, and create media in a variety of forms. It aims to empower citizens by providing them with the competencies, knowledge and skills necessary to engage with traditional media and new technologies. Simplifying the definition, media literacy is the skill or skills of a person wherein he can interpret, understand, and use different forms of communication to be used effectively depending on the purpose. Information: a broad term that covers processed data, knowledge derived from study, experience, instruction, signals, or symbols. This basically are the data that we get from any communication tool that we have discussed earlier, like newspapers, internet, social media, television, etc. Technology literacy: the ability of an individual, either working independently or with others, to responsibly, appropriately and effectively use technological tools. Using these tools, an individual can access, manage, integrate, evaluate, create, and communicate information. The data and information that has been accessed or gathered is being used, processed, and disseminated by the use of technology either individually or by group. So to say that you are technological literate, you should manifest proper problem-solving skills, communication skills, locate, use and synthesize information found using technology and develop skills necessary to function in the 21st century. Media and information literacy refers to essential skills and competencies that allow individuals to engage with media and other information providers effectively, as well as develop critical thinking and lifelong learning skills to socialize and become active citizens. This is linked to Article 19 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights that says, "Everyone has the right to freedom of opinion and expression. This right includes freedom to hold opinions without interference and to seek, receive, and impart information and ideas through any media regardless of frontiers." Media and information literacy. Essential knowledge of maximizing communication tools allows you to engage with media and information channels in a meaningful manner. Now we can describe how communication is influenced by media and information, identify the similarities and differences of media literacy, information literacy, and technology literacy, and discuss responsible use of media and information.